Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to definitely be about more hair beauty. It's going to be my 4 favorite products from Urban Fudge. It's one of my favorite hair brands to date. And they're so amazing. This is not a sponsored video, by the way. It's just me expressing my love for my favorite products. The first product that I have from Urban Fudge is and smells so heavenly. Smoothing spray. This is when you wanna smoothen out your hair. You just want some. This is a smoothing spray that you can use before you actually use hot tools. It has some glitter particles in there. I'm not sure if it's picking up on camera. See them once you spray it in your hair, you go in and you set it. It looks so nice. It does tame frizz so well. It tames frizz really well. There's another product that I do love from them. I'm not sure of the name. I can't remember the name of it. But it came in like a pink tube and it used to be, I think it was a smoothing balm or something like that. It was really amazing. If I do find it, I'll pop it up on the screen. This smells like vacation. A coconut. It's not like straight up coconut scent. It does smell like a coconut. It makes your hair feel so nice. And a product that I have from Urban Fudge is, it's so cute. It's so cute. It is the Super Wax Bar. You get it opened. I mean, you could see I've already used so much of it. I've used so much of it, like I even broke it in half. Then you want to add a little bit of texture to your hair, to your curls, or whatever. You just take a little bit of, such annoying packaging. You scrape a little bit of it, just more than a pea size, and then you rub it on your fingers and you warm the product up. Then you just brush through your hair with it. It will give you a super matte finish. It has a 7.0 hold. It really holds well, and under humidity it works well. The next product that I have is a powder. This is one of my favorite hairstyling powders that I've ever tried. This is the Urban Fudge Insta Texture. It's so mattifying. But it keeps all those flyaways and it keeps your hair looking smooth and super texturized. It adds so much of texture and it looks so good on the hair. All you have to do is just, I think the only gripe with this product is when you, because it's a powder, it's like a loose powder, so when you do tend to when you do tend to dunk it out into the cap, it flies everywhere. It's a very messy product, but it creates and controls so well. It's super inexpensive, 50 ml and 100 grams. I wish that they made it in a bigger size so that you could get more product instead of keep on repurchasing it. Okay, the last and final product that I have is also a hair styler. But it is different from the previous one. That is more to give you texture and hold. But this powder, the styling powder, is different because this one in the black bottle gives you more of volume. It's a finishing product, constant root boost. The 5.0 hold, which is really good, good affordable product. It's also 50. This is also 10 grams, which is also like 50 mils. Another thing is with this, it flies everywhere. And if you go overboard with like putting so much in your hair, it's definitely gonna not last you very long. Don't need a lot of this. If you do, you just you just sprinkle this into your roots and rub it around, and it definitely disappears. It does not give you a white cast whatsoever. So it's a definite good product from my side. I really like it. And yeah, so if you want, you could check them out. This is at Discam or Clicks, our drugstores actually, and you can also find this on Amazon. And that's it, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, comment, share, like. I really appreciate all the love and support. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.